Hello there. Are you having problem running YouTube videos on most VRChat player? If you do, stay tuned. I'm going to explain to you how to install VRC video cacher with some extra tip at the end. So first of all, just so we can show the problem in VRChat, let's just copy a YouTube link, paste it in a video player. It should give you an error. It will not play. It will say unable to load video. If that is your case, let me show you how to fix it. So first of all, you're gonna obviously close VRChat. What you're gonna do is you're gonna search VRC video cacher on GitHub. So just type GitHub VRC video cacher. You're gonna take the first result from LEVR VRC video cacher right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the release, download the latest exe. So you're going to click here. This is going to download the VRC video cacher, obviously. I'm not going to click it because I already have it right here in my download folder. When you have the executable, what you're going to do, you're going to click it. You don't need to execute it as an administrator or anything, or you should not have to. It should be ran double clicking it. It will ask you if you want the VRC video cacher to fix YouTube videos. So you're going to click Y, you're going to click enter. It's going to ask you if you want to run the VRC video cacher to VRCX auto start. So if you don't have VRCX, I highly recommend this little tool. It's a very neat little tool. If you want to know more, have a read on it. It's on GitHub as well. It's very practical, but you definitely should get it. In my case, I want to have it auto start with VRChat using VRCX. So I'm going to click Y for yes and click enter again. It should do its thing, install the YouTube DLP patcher and everything. Once it's done, in my part here, it says codec package already installed. If it says that you're missing codec, what you can do is you can go back and you can install the codec here, here, and here. You just click and then you click install for each of them if you're missing it. If you don't, then you're done with this part. Close this window. Once that's done, you should have 2 new folders and 2 new config file or JSON file. That's perfect. That's what it's supposed to do. Once that's done, you're going to go back to the page. You're going to click either Chrome or Firefox. You'll need one of those 2 browsers to install the extension. In my case, it is the Chrome that I'm using. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to add to Chrome. Let the extension install itself. When that's done, what you're going to do, you're going to go on YouTube. Make sure that you're logged in. Sometimes you can be lucky and it will create a cache file. Sometimes it won't. Or not a cache file, but a cookie file from YouTube, but sometimes it doesn't. So you just play a YouTube video random like this, and it should create a cookie file at some point. I don't know why it doesn't do it for me, but it should create a cookie file. Let me just try to click another video just in case. Okay. Okay, for some reason it's not fetching the cookies, but normally you should have an extra file that it creates just for you right here. So when that's done, you'll see that if I launch VRChat right here, and then it should launch a window next to it, which is the VRC video cacher, if all is installed correctly, just like that. And I'll just wait for my world to load, and I'm going to mute it because I have some music playing when I load the world normally, and I don't want to get a copyright. So give me a second here. Right here, I'm just gonna go and cut the audio so I don't get any copyright. We're gonna go to the room. We're gonna go and test if the video player works correctly, which it should. There we go. Gonna go grab this so I can see. Let me go fetch the same YouTube link that we did catch earlier. Right here. Grab this, put it in the player. Let's see if it works now. should have audio as well. Let me just put it back on. And there you go. The video player works. So if you just want the basic VRC video cacher, this is how you do it. If you want to do a little bit of an extra and you don't want to have this window launch every time you launch your PC, it will launch this Windows the first time you run VRChat. Why the first time I say? It's because when you close it, it will close the window, but it will not shut it down fully. If you go to your task manager and you check the process, and you go all the way down to V, it should be, no, it's not running it. Okay, sometimes it will run it in the background, sometimes it won't. For some reason, for me, it doesn't. So every time I launch VRChat, it will launch that secondary windows. If you don't want to have this window show itself every time you launch VRChat, and it annoys you to have it in the taskbar here, I'll show you a little extra trick for it to not do that and just run in the background instead. So you're going to go to your task scheduler. You're going to create a new task, not a basic task, a task. So create a task, name it VRC video cacher or whatever you want. Make sure that it runs whether the user is logged on or not. This is what's going to prevent it from like showing a little window on your taskbar. And make sure to click do not store password or else it will not work. You do not need to click run highest privileges. You do not need to do that. As a trigger, you're going to create a new trigger. You're going to schedule it at or begin the task at logon. That's the only thing you need to do here. You just click OK. You're going to go to action. You're going to create a new action, start a program, and then you're going to browse for VRC video cacher. And then you're going to click OK. You don't need to click or change anything in condition or settings. So those can remain the same. You can just click OK. And it will be ready right here. And if I click run, which it should simulate when you log on. So run, as you can see, it's running. I got no windows here. And if I go check in my task manager, VRC video cacher is running right here. So it will always run in the background. And if you launch VRChat, it should still be working, but you won't have any extra windows on your taskbar. Let's see here. Almost there. I'm gonna make sure to cut the music so I don't get a copyright strike. And we're gonna go to the room again to test to make sure that the VRChat player works properly. Gonna go here, gonna grab this, and then we're gonna go here. And boom, and then paste the YouTube link, the same link that you tried earlier, and now it should 100% work, just like this. Just gonna put the volume back up so you can hear it. It works, and as you can see, I have no extra windows or program or script running on my taskbar. So there you go. Enjoy.